I write what I live. My life in the speaker. I'm nice. Oh, just like the demeanor. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen it. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog just like I'm Peter.
To the crowd, show our appreciation for allowing us to perform for you today. Precision hovering techniques. Ladies and gentlemen, our last maneuver for you today is the rolling takeoff and the rolling landing. The unique capabilities of the Osprey allow us to utilize runway when we have it available to take larger loads of personnel and cargo wherever they need to go. High altitude, high density, altitude, high heat, no matter what, we can take it. Captain Holloway and Captain Hansen have now rotated the nacelle slightly forward, being forward ground.
And it went to a private owner. So private owners purchased it. Back then they